Hello, my name is Yunus Yabaz, student ID W1948082. This is my coursework project for object-oriented programming, and yeah, I'm just going to walk through it and try to explain my code, along with giving some examples and proving that the code works, where it does work and where it of course doesn't. So this is the main class, this is my product class, this is also the super class to the class electronics and the class clothing. We can see here I have my instances of product ID, name, number of items available, product price. I have my constructor, my getters and setters. Onto the electronics class, I also have my instance variables here, along with my constructor, my getters and setters for this class, and also for the clothing class, I have my instance variables, my getters and setters, along with the use of the super keyword on both electronics and clothing classes, and also the getters and setters for the clothing class. Here is my shopping cart class, and here is my Westminster Shopping Manager class, which of course implements the Shopping Manager interface. Here are the instance variables, and here are the methods to those instance variables that have been, of course, implemented from the interface. Just to give some examples. Sorry, I just want to add, of course, for the GUI, I have a my frame class and a table class for the the GUI. Anyways, moving on. Just want to give some examples. Let's just run it. So it asks, please enter your choice. Let's enter choice 1. There's a choice between either electronics or clothing. Let's go electronics. Enter product ID, if we can enter anything, 1A for example. Enter product name, let's say iPhone. Available items, let's say 100. Enter product price, let's say 99.99 is a double. Product brand, and let's say Apple. Warranty period, let's say 6 months. Please enter my choice. We have an option where we can print whatever we have down. I think I will do that. I will print it, press option 3, and I will go up and it says product type electronics, which was of course what the product input, well rather the input that we did input. If we go on to select option 1 again, but this time clothing, enter another random ID. Product name, let's do jumper. Available items, let's say 100. Enter product price, 25.99. Clothing size, let's say extra large. Clothing color, pink, why not? Enter your choice. And this time I think we can remove or delete a product from the system. And I just want to remember, I think it was 1, just having a look, it was 1B, wasn't it? 1B. Yeah, the product that we added was of course a clothing, and when we wanted to remove the same product, we we added the same product ID, and as we can see, it says it's removed the product, and it's also given us the product type, which is clothing. Now I just want to move on to saving to a file, as unfortunately I think I may have made some mistakes on here, but let's just go again. One product ID 1C. Let's go watch this time. Available items, let's say 1,000. Product price 100. Product brand, let's say Samsung. Warranty period 1 year. Now let us press on 4, since it is the save to products, the save to file option. Here we get, oh, it says product saved to file successfully. So yeah, as we can see, when we want to print, it clearly prints it out. When we want to, save to file, it also saves to the file. I finally want to try the GUI, hoping that it does open up. Yep, it does open up. Here we had two products. In the beginning, we added a product, which was of course an electronics product, and then we added the clothing, but we removed the clothing, so we don't have the clothing here anymore. And we finally, just a second ago, we added another electronics, which was a watch, where we had the product ID was 1A, and for the phone, again, like, the price is the same as we entered electronics. Watch 1C, product ID, exactly the same. Product info. And finally, in order to just run the code again, to exit the code, we can just press 6 and it will exit. Just a minute ago, when the GUI opened up a window, when you press the X, it just shut the code, broke the code, ended the code, and had to run it again. Other than that, there is not much that I would like to show you, other than the fact that here I have shown, or rather I've tried to include some of the requirements. For example, the drop down menu. However, whenever I tried to do it, it just kept on overriding the code before. It wouldn't show the code before, and it wasn't too efficient. Therefore, I had to remove it. Other than that, there is not much I would like to show, and would like to say thank you very much.